Hi everyone! So, nandito kami sa Herzliya. So, itong bahay na ito ay sa boss ng aking friend. So, we had the privilege today to stay here overnight. Ayan, dito kami nag-lunch. Ayan, tapos yung friend ko, ayan, nagtatanim siya ng mga halaman for her daily use. Tapos ito yung kanilang backyard. Ayan, ang daming halaman dito, guys. Ayan. So, ipakikita ko sa inyo maya ang loob ng bahay. Yan yung rooms na aming tutulugan, I mean. Ayan. Ang daming mga herbs. Ayan, mga different kinds of vegetables here. May cherry tomato pa siya. Hindi pa nga lang hinog. Ayan. Diba, guys? Pasok tayo sa loob. Ayan. Wala siyang sinasayang na space. Oh. Daming mga halaman. Pasok tayo sa loob. Ito naman yung kitchen. Dito tayo sa kitchen. Ayan, siguro yung mga forefathers nila. Ito yung food na kinain namin. Kanina nung nag-lunch kami, ito. Ayan.
This is forever. It never will be done.
Yes.
Yeah. Only the...
Ayan, meron pa rin siya dito. Ayan ang kitchen. Okay lang, di ba? Hindi pa namin nalilinis ang kitchen.
Last floor master bedroom with the bathroom and this. But when it's raining, it's also from the electricity.
This the problem here before this just fixed because of the...
Ito may underground floor. I will show you. Uy! Meron sila dito. Ito, live cinema room. Yan, tapos dito sa labas, meron siyang basketball court. Ayan, may court sa labas. Punta naman. Tapos ito, sa cinema room niya, meron siyang piano. Tapos ito, another room pa. Ayan, nilalagyan nila ng mga bikes. Ang daming mga, ayan o, phones. Ito parang CR siya. Ayan. Tita, nandito ako, nagpipilm. Ayan pa, another room. Meron din siyang, ayan, plantsahan room. Punta tayo sa taas. Let's go up. Ito yung kanilang living room. Ayan, old style. Ayan, like French style house. Okay. Hi! Ito, meron siya ditong room. Another room. Yan, it's very big house. Parang ito ata ang master's bedroom, I think, no? No. There's another room here. This is the laundry area. Ayan. Here's another room. With 2 beds. Yan, dito daw kami matutulog, sabi ni Tita Miles. Tapos meron kami.
look mama tati, ממש כיף. אמא, look mama tati.
לא, אני לא
אבל
רוצה
זה
ככה.
החדר שלי. אמא, זה החדר שלי. look mama tati.
Wait, ito naman may ano sila. Ito ang another CR. Ang daming CR. Ayan, ito yung master's bedroom, guys.
ממה מצאתי, טדן, 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 טדן.
וואו.
אמא, אפשר לעשות פה מחר?
We'll see, we'll ask. Itong master's bedroom, simple lang siya.
אמא, אפשר מחר בלילה, שנישן פה. אני לא יודעת. Look, זה for exercise.
And itong master's bedroom there. I was thinking before it was jacuzzi, but this is only a bathtub. Oh, there is 2 shower room here. Ayan. And then, ito ang toilet. Shower room. Ayan. Ito ang washing area. Dito sa room nila. Ayan, and closet nila. Bisita lang kami dito, ha? Bisita. Ayan. Let's go from here.
Yeah, but I don't.
Wow!
I have a basilicum there, and before I have a big.
Ayan. This is the view from the second floor. Oh, ang ganda naman. Look at the palms. The palms.
Kailangan kong lagyan ng water yung tomato.
Parang iba ka na ito, tita. Ano? Siguro magtatayo din dito ng
Magtatayo.
ano.
May house dyan dati giniba.
May house dito.
There's a house there before they destroy it and then they will build a new one.
Here?
Yeah.
Old house?
Old house.
Shiraz, be careful.
Oh my goodness, look!
You cannot go there, Shirazi.
Shiraz, be careful,
Be
ha?
careful. Ano. Bebe, don't climb, please.
This house here is new transfer.
Tita Mars, you have
This is a new finish house and they just
Yeah.